Hello students, today we are going to discuss topic adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about person, place, animal and things. They tell us what kind of, how many, how much, what color, etc. person, place, animal and things are. ठीक है? For example, Rohini has a pink dress. Now, what is a noun? Noun is a dress. And which word is describing about noun? Dress. What color of dress? Pink dress. Here, pink is describing the color of dress. So, pink is a adjective here. Second, it was an interesting story. It was an interesting story. Story is a noun. What kind of story? Interesting. Interesting word is describing about story. That story is a very interesting. ठीक है? It is describing about story. What kind of story? Interesting. Father bought 4 chocolates. Now chocolate is a noun, but here 4 is describing about the number of chocolates. How many chocolates father bought? 4. Okay, as like she is an intelligent girl. What kind of girl? Intelligent. Intelligent is a describing word. He is a fat man. Fat is a describing word. ठीक है? This way, which words describe about noun or pronoun, person, place or animal, things that are called adjectives. Position of adjective means where we can place the adjective. Adjectives are usually placed before the noun they describe, but sometimes they may be placed after noun as well. Most of the time, not always, but most of the time, adjective we use the adjective before the noun. Before noun we use adjective, but sometime we place it after the noun also. For example, he is an old man. Now man is a noun and old is an adjective. Old is describing the man. That what kind of man? Old. ठीक है? So before noun we placed adjective. Okay? And in second sentence, the man is old. No, man is a noun. Man comes first and old comes at last after noun. ठीक है? This is also adjective, this is also adjective. Most of the time we use adjective before noun. In some cases we use adjective after noun. Clear? Position of adjective. Now next, one more example is here, as like she has a sweet voice. What kind of voice? Sweet. Sweet is adjective, voice is noun. You can see here also before noun we placed adjective, and her voice is sweet. Again voice is noun, sweet is adjective. Here sweet we placed after the noun. So adjective can be placed before or after the noun. Types of adjectives. First of all, first number, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or things. It answers the question what kind. When we find the adjective of quality, we got the answer what kind of thing, what kind of person, what kind of place, what kind of animal. We got the answer of what kind. Clear? We got the answer what kind of. Okay, for example, this is an interesting book. Book is a noun. What kind of book? Interesting book. Second, Mitu is a good dancer. What kind of dancer? Good dancer, bad dancer, excellent dancer, perfect dancer. This way we got the answer of what kind of. Mumbai is a big city. What kind of city? Big city. Okay. The children are sweet and intelligent. Now What kind of children? Sweet, intelligent, naughty, brave. Okay, all these are adjectives for children. At what kind of children we got the answer? Sweet and intelligent. Next, number 2, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Quantity means which things we can't count, just we can measure them. Okay, it tells us about quantity of things, quantity of a thing. For example, we use for the quantity, which words we use for the quantity? Some, enough, much. Okay, it answers the question how much. Which answer we got? How much. For example, we use it for uncountable things. We use quantity, adjective of quantity, for uncountable things. For example, some milk is in the jug. Some milk is in the jug. Now milk is uncountable and we use some milk. How we got the answer? How much milk? Some milk. How much milk? Some milk. Okay. Next, I have enough food for all. Enough means beta how much you need, that much you have that thing, not more than your need, not less than your need. ठीक है, how much you need, that much sufficient thing or anything sufficient you have. Okay, I have enough food for all. Food is also uncountable. Okay, so we use enough word. How much we need, we have that much food for all. I want a little oil. Little oil, oil is also uncountable. I want a little oil means I want some oil. The baby is much happy now. Much is adjective here. Okay, the baby is much happy now. Happy or happiness we can't count, it is also uncountable. Much we use for uncountable. Next, number 3, adjectives of number. It tells us about the number of persons, things or animals. For example, which words we use for the numbers? 1, 2 and many. Much we use for uncountable things and many we use for countable things. It answers the question how many. Adjective of number answers the question of how many. We use it with the countable nouns. For example, all the students were present. All the students were present. All we use with students. Students we can count how many students were present. Okay, so all is a countable adjective. Number, adjective of number. They will return after 2 weeks. ठीक है, how many weeks? 2 weeks. 2 is countable, weeks are countable. The teacher pointed out several mistakes in her essay. Several is also we use with the countable nouns because mistakes in one essay na, we can count the mistakes. We can count all the mistakes in essay. Number 4, many roads were damaged in the rain. Many is countable. Many we use for countable, roads we can count. Now, difference in use. There are some words like some, any, all, enough, sufficient. ठीक है, which can be used as adjective of quantity or adjective of number. This will depend on their use. These words we can use with countable things also, with uncountable things also. These words we can use with the both adjectives, with quantity and with number, but it will depend on their use. For examples, adjective of quality and adjective of number. Now see, number 1, some milk is in the jug. Now some is uncountable quantity because milk is uncountable noun. So that's why here some is adjective of quantity. Some boys are playing. Here some is countable, is adjective of number because boys we can count. Second, he has no knowledge about it. Here no, and no is a adjective of quantity because knowledge we can't count. Okay, I have no books with me. Here no is a adjective of number because books we can count. Have you any difficulty? Now any we use. Here any is adjective of quantity because difficulties, problems we can't count. Is there any toy? Any toy. We can count. Here any is a adjective of number. I have enough food. Food is always uncountable. So enough here adjective of quantity. I have enough pencils. Here enough is a adjective of number because pencils we can count. Okay, understood beta? So whenever you find the adjective of quantity and number, first of all you will check the noun also. It's very important to check the noun. If noun is countable, then your some words will be adjective of quality or number that you can find. So whenever you will find this is adjective of quantity or number, you will check the noun also. First of all check the noun, that is countable or uncountable. Next, let's learn about some adjectives which convey the same idea. Some adjectives we use which have the same meaning, but we use them differently, okay, according to their use. Little and few. Little and few both meaning some. Little and few both meaning some. Little is used with uncountable nouns and few is used with countable nouns. Okay, keep this thing in your mind, it's very important. Little word used with uncountable nouns and few word is used with the countable nouns. For example, a little smile, a little work. Okay, smile is uncountable, work is also uncountable. So a little smile, a work, ठीक है, both are uncountable adjectives, adjective of quantity. Work and smile are uncountables. Next, a few people, a few chairs. Now see, people we can count, chairs we can count. So with the people and chair we can't use little, we will always use few. Okay, people and chairs are countable. Now second, first of all we have learned about little and few, ठीक है, little with uncountable, few with countable. Now second is much and many. These are also having same meaning, much and many. Much is used with uncountables and many is used with the countables. Again remember this thing is very important. Much with uncountable, many with the countables noun. For example, much help and much work. I need your much help, I need to do much work. Both are uncountable and much we use with the uncountable nouns. Next, many girls, many books. Girls and books both are countable. So girls and books are countable, with them we can use many girls and many books. Okay students, I hope you understood this all. Next part we will learn in a next video.